every member needs to know that before they can become part of Sante International, they have to purchase our Pure Barley Pack. And let me discuss to you the details of this pack.
Our Pure Barley Pack contains the following. Number 1, may kasama po itong 3 boxes ng ating Sante Barley Pure New Zealand. May kasama rin po itong 1 box of Sante Pure Barley New Zealand. May kasama po itong distributor's registration card, DVD, and marketing materials. Now, let me present to you the features of this pack. First, you'll be given up to 50% discounts on all the products of Sante International. Number 2, you will be given a business opportunity, a personal business website, SMS business system, airload distributorship, plus a scholarship and affiliates program. Initially, once na bumili po kayo ng ating Pure Barley Pack, you'll be given a 50% gift certificate discount from Informatics Galleria. Meaning po, if you have relatives, friends, or kahit kayo mismo, gusto nyo pong pumasok sa informatics, meron po kayong 50% discount sa tuition fee sa kanilang school. Just in case naman po that we are not in need of the Informatics Galleria gift certificate, pwede nyo pong itago itong gift certificate na to and wait for the new scholarship program or companies or schools na magiging kataya po ng Sante International. At pwede nyo pong ipapalit itong informatics gift certificate sa Sante International at papalitan po natin to ng school of your choice. Next, with the Pure Barley Pack, you'll also be entitled to become part of the Big League Enterprise. Meaning, member na rin po kayo ng lahat ng kumpanya na sineservisyohan ng Big League. Ang ating Pure Barley Pack is 3,988. But of course, the good news is, pag tinotal po natin yung lamang produkto nito, which is yung 3 boxes ng ating Sante Barley Pure at isang box ng ating Sante Pure Barley, ang total product value po ay 4,650. So with this, once na bumili po kayo ng Pure Barley Pack, you are now a legitimate distributor of Sante International and you'll get all the benefits ng isa pong member ng ating kumpanya. Now, let's talk about the different ways to earn in Sante International. First way to earn is what we call as a retail bonus. As a member of Sante, you'll be given up to 50% discount on subsequent purchases of Sante International products. Meaning, once na member na po kayo ng kumpanya, hindi nyo na po kailangan bilhin ng ating Sante Barley Pure New Zealand ng 15 pesos per capsule. Ito po ay mabibili nyo na lang via our wellness kit ng 750 per capsule. So if you're a distributor who are really interested in the business of direct selling, 100% po ang kikitain nyo sa bawat produktong maibebenta nyo. And this is our first way to earn that we called retail bonus. Our second way to earn is the fast start bonus. Every time that you can directly refer a prospective distributor in Sante International na bibili ng Pure Barley Pack, you will immediately earn 300 pesos.
Now, the third way to earn is an exciting one. Tawagin na lang po natin itong infinity bonus. Bakit po infinity bonus? Because in this way to earn, distributors can earn up to the infinite level. Meaning, up to the very last distributor that will be invited in the organization. And this is how the infinity bonus works. If one will purchase the Pure Barley Pack, he will be given a business node. At yung business node pong yan has the opportunity to earn huge amount of income in the Sante business opportunity. Kung meron po tayong isang business node, all we need to do is build 2 teams. The left and the right team, meaning invite at least 2 people na magiging interested to be a distributor of the company. You put 1 on the left team and 1 on your right team, meaning silang dalawa po ay magkakaroon din ng business node or business center. But listen to this. Pag nagkaroon po kayo ng isa sa left at isa sa right, meaning dalawang kaibigan na bumili ng Pure Barley Pack, immediately the company will give you a link. And every link will give you an amount, which I'll be discussing to you later on. But to proceed, what if yung dalawang mong kaibigan ay nag-invite ng tig-dalawa? And those 2 friends under them also invited 2 each. And so on and so forth. Ang good news with our infinity bonus, whenever there are people on your left who will buy the pure barley pack and people on your right who will buy the pure barley pack. Whether kakilala mo or hindi, the company will give you a link. And every link, the company will give you 500 pesos. Please take note that in our Infinity Bonus, there's no maximum daily income limit. No flash out. Guaranteed strong leg retention, meaning hindi po mawawala ang pinagpaguran nyo. Number 4, there's no registration limit, meaning as a distributor, I can buy as many pure barley packs as I want. And of course, number 5, this is a guaranteed safe compensation plan, meaning safe po on the part of the company, that there will never be a point wherein the company will overpay. And please take note that the maximum is 64 links per level per side. Let me just present to you a simulation on how the Infinity Bonus works. For example, Monday, may pumasok na 5 on your left who purchased the pure barley pack. 10 on your right. So meaning, ang total links mo that day is 5 links. Times 500 pesos, that's 2,500. Not bad for a one-day income. Next day, may pumasok na 15 sa left at may pumasok na 5 sa right. Obviously, may sumobrang 5 sa'yo sa right side on Monday na makikarry over yan sa Tuesday. So, meaning on Tuesday, you have 10 links. Times 500, that's 5,000 pesos. On Wednesday, you have 10 on the left and 15 on the right. Again, yung sumobrang 5 sa left on Tuesday will be carried over on Wednesday. So, meaning you have 15 links on Wednesday. Times 500, that's 7,500. What if someday on Thursday, you have 15 links? That's 7,500. 20 links on Friday, that's 10,000. 64 links on Saturday, that's 32,000. 100 links on Sunday, that's 50,000. Meaning, in 1 week, pwede kang kumita ng 114,500. And that's really a huge business opportunity, considering that you're just starting the Sante International business. And again, let me just remind you, you can earn up to the infinite level. In Tagalog, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Now, let's talk about the second way to earn. Let's talk about what will happen if these people in your organization will continuously buy the products of the company. The next way to earn is what we called as the builder's bonus. Meaning, if people that you referred in the organization will continuously buy products, meron po kayong kikitaing percentage sa purchases nila. When you purchase the pure barley pack, you are considered as a distributor of the company. And as a distributor, you can earn up to the 5th level. Ngayon, habang tumatagal ka sa organization at dumadami ang nare-refer mong distributor, if you already have between 3 to 5 distributors under your group that you directly referred, you will now be upgraded as a dealer. And on the builder's bonus, you can now earn up to the 6th level. If you already have between 6 to 9 direct referrals, you are now an associate director and you can now earn up to the 7th level. And if you already have between 10 to 12 directly sponsored distributors, you are now considered as a director and you can now earn up to the 8th level. If you already have between 13 to 15 direct referrals, you are now considered as a senior director and you can now earn up to the 9th level. And if you already have 16 direct referrals and up, you are now considered as an executive director and you can now earn up to the 10th level. Now, of course, in the builder's bonus, you have a next goal. Your next goal is to invite other people and develop them to become executive directors. And this is what will happen if you can help your team develop other executive directors in their organization. If you are already an executive director and you've developed 3 EDs in your organization, you are now considered as a gold ED. Pag meron na naman po kayong 5 executive directors in your group, you are now considered as a platinum ED. At pag meron ka ng 7 direct EDs in your group, you are now considered as a diamond ED. And if you are a gold, platinum, and diamond, you can now earn from the executive bonus, meaning as a gold ED, you'll be given an additional 4% up to infinity. If you're a platinum ED, an additional 7% up to infinity. And if you are a diamond ED, you'll be given an additional 10% up to infinity. And this is very exciting because just the same with the infinity bonus, with the executive bonus, you can earn up to the infinite level. Now, for you to appreciate the builder's bonus, let me just give you a simulation. A very simple computation on how the builder's bonus will affect your organization. Assuming nag-build ka, not only in the Philippines, but let's say all over the world. This is the question. Do you think it's possible for you to invite 5 people in the organization? Yes, just 5 people. And help those 5 get another 5. Remember, in the builder's bonus, we call your first 5 as your first level. Pag yung 5 mo naka-invite ng tig-5, we will call them your second level. And let's say na perfect po natin 5 by 5 up to the 10th level, meaning invited 5, you help the 5, get another 5, and so on and so forth. Once na makumpleto po natin yung 10 levels, and let's assume that everyone is just purchasing 1 box of pure barley NZ per month, the potential income is 478 million. And that's a per month income. Now, I agree with you kung sasabihin yung overwhelming, that's 478 million. Now, let me just present to you a very, very conservative scenario. Let's forget about the 10 levels. Let's just talk about your first 5 levels. Once na makumpleto mo yung first 5 levels at 5 by 5, meaning you invite the 5 and you help the 5 get another 5 up to the 5th level. Ano kayang pwede mangyari? If everyone will just be purchasing 1 box of pure barley NZ per month. If that event will happen, the potential income is still 79,200 pesos per month. Ang tanong lang naman dyan is simple, mga kapatid eh. Malaki ba ang maitutulong sa inyo ng 79,000 per month? And I do believe na napaka-conservative po niyan. Because 5 lang ang in-invite nyo. At 5 rin din ang in-invite nila. And everyone is just purchasing 1 box. What more, if you can invite more than 5, and if people under you will be purchasing not only 1 box, but several boxes of all of our products in Sante International. Let me present to you our next way to earn, and this is the global bonus. Sante International will set aside a portion of the company's income to be given to qualified gold EDs, platinum EDs, and diamond EDs, and will be distributed on an annual basis. The company is also excited in giving its distributors a car, travel, or house allowance. Now to continue. Paano ba na-disburse ng mga distributors ang kanilang mga bonuses sa Sante International? The Fast Start bonus and the Infinity bonus is computed and released on a daily basis. The Builder's bonus and Executive bonus is computed on a monthly basis, while the Franchise Leverage Program is computed every 4 months. The Franchise Leverage Program is a program entirely for all franchisees of the company. Ito po i-discuss sa inyo ng taong nagbigay sa inyo ng CD presentation na ito. And of course, our global bonus is computed annually. Now the question is, how can distributors get their commissions from the company? The company will be giving us 3 options. Number 1, they can get their commissions via wire transfer, meaning they can transfer their commissions to their bank account. Right now, we have 2 options. Number 1, a distributor can open a BPI account. Or number 2, they can just apply using the Sante online system for a China Trust Visa card. Ito pong China Trust Visa card is accepted globally dahil international card po ito. So, number 1, they can transfer their commissions to these ATMs. Number 2, they can also request for a commission check. If you will request for a check disbursement before 10 a.m. of Wednesday, you can get your check sa susunod na Biyernes. Our third option is the Lig Wallet. Lig Wallet is an electronic money of Sante International. And distributors can use the League Wallet to purchase any other products in the system, or they can also use the League Wallet to sell any types of load using our airload system, which I'll be discussing to you later on. So these are the ways on how distributors can disburse their commissions in Sante International. Now let's talk about the fourth leg of the company. And I do believe by far, isa ito sa pinaka-importante. Because without this, I do believe na ang isang kumpanya ay pwedeng madapa balang araw. Let me discuss to you the system of Sante International. Let's start with the company's online system. Every distributor will be given a personal business website, and online, they can access their business right at the comfort of their homes. Every member will be given a website. And using this website, pwede mo silang mag-log in using their ID numbers and password. Of course, online, members can monitor the updates of the company. Number two, of course, they can monitor the performance of their business. Online, members or distributors, pwede po silang bumili ng produkto. Online, they can monitor sino po ba ang pumapasok sa organization nila on the left and on the right side. Mamamonitor din po nila kung ilan na po ang kanilang car plan point sa left at car plan point sa right. And online, members can monitor who are the people registering in their organization. They can do this on a daily basis, meaning kahit po ako ay nasa bahay lang, I can monitor ilan po ba ang nagre-register sa akin ngayong araw. Ilan ba ang nag-register since last week, since last month, etc. etc. Because pwede pong i-filter yan ng ating mga distributors. Online, distributors can also monitor how much they are earning. They can check their account balance, and pag nakita nilang meron pang available balance sa kanilang komisyon, they can easily click request disbursement and immediately transfer their commissions to their bank account, request for a League Wallet, or request for a commission check. So, ganyan pong ka-convenient ang system ng kumpanya. In fact, kahit wala kang computer sa bahay, you can just go to any internet cafe and monitor the performance of your business or disburse your commissions anytime, any day. Using the online system of the company, you can also monitor how much is the performance of every members in your team. Meaning, dito po malalaman nyo how much you're earning from the purchases of people in your organization. Very transparent yung kumpanya na hindi mo nakakailanganin pang pumunta sa opisina para i-request ang summary report ng lahat ng purchases ng grupo mo. Very powerful talaga ang online system ng Sante. And I do believe that this will really be our edge when it comes to opening an international business. Number two, let me discuss to you the SMS business system of Sante International. Using the SMS business system of Sante International, you can do your business with us using your cell phones. In fact, you can register new distributors using your cell phone. In our SMS business system, we have what we call as the bonus auto notification, meaning, pag kami po ay nag-compute ng commission, for example, our infinity bonus is being computed every day. Our cutoff time is 12 midnight. By 1 o'clock, the system will compute your commission, and between 1 to 1:30, lahat po ng nakatanggap ng commission will immediately be informed via text message how much they earn sa ating system. Ang suggestion ko lang po, once na na-text po kayo ng ating sistema, wag po kayong magre-reply ng K, thanks, who you? Kasi po ang dami namin experience at natutuwa po kami because distributors are very excited with our SMS business system. In fact, given the right parameter, pwede po kayong mag-reply ng text sa kumpanya para po yung commission nyo ay maipasok na directly sa bank account nyo, magawa namin kayo ng cheque, or mabigyan namin kayo ng League Wallet. And you can do this right at the comfort of your homes. We're just one text away. And of course, you can do many other things with your SMS business system. You can do bonus update, League Wallet inquiry, product reordering, customer service, and many more. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, let me discuss to you our airload system. With the airload system, you have access as a distributor to more than 250 types of load. We consider this as a value-added service, pero nakakatuwa po rito, kung ikaw po ay prepaid cellphone user, you don't need to buy sa mga tindahan because using the airload system, you can convert your commissions into a Lig Wallet and use Lig Wallet to transfer a cellphone load to your cellphone account. In fact, pasahan mo ng sarili mo ng 30 pesos na load, kumita ka pa ng mga around 3 pesos. Not bad. But let's face it, yung iba, ginagawa rin to as a business opportunity. Ginagamit nila ang kanilang komisyon para ipangbenta as cellphone loads. You can sell a load using our online system, meaning you can log onto your account, choose a load, send it to a mobile number, pay using Lig Wallet, and that's it. You can also sell a load using your cell phone. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of Sante International. Now, let me present to you what to do next in Sante International. I do believe na marami po sa atin ang excited ng malaman. Ano ba ang kailangan kong gawin in order to start this wonderful opportunity with a great product, a great system, a great company, great compensation plan? The first thing that you need to do, of course, is purchase the Pure Barley Pack. Purchase the Pure Barley Pack at 3,988. You are considered as a distributor, makakatipid ka na sa produkto, makakasimula ka na ng negosyo mo. Number 2, never talk to anyone unless you are trained. The next thing that you need to do is simply write your name list. Just list down names of people na gusto mong matulungan sa negosyong to. And remember, in writing down names, never prejudge anyone. Kunin mo lang ang cellphone mo, basahin mo yung mga pangalan ng mga kaibigan mo, isulat mo lang yan, and that's it. You don't even have to call them yet. Please, don't call anyone yet unless you are trained. You might say the wrong thing to a right person, and remember, you're only given one chance. And what you need to do after writing down your name list is attend our new distributors training every Saturday, 3 p.m. in our branch in Show Boulevard, or in any other new distributors training being conducted nationwide. Never talk to anyone yet. Attend our new distributors training. Tuturuan namin kayo kung anong gagawin nyo sa inyong name list. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Sante International. It's as simple as buying the Pure Barley Pack, making your name list, and attending the new distributors training. And to end, ladies and gentlemen, let me just present to you, why are we doing Sante International? Why are we here? Why are we so passionate to really touch the lives of many people? Marami pong Filipino company ang nangangarap na maging international. And yes, Sante is one of them. Pero what differentiates Sante from other companies is that we're in the process of really tapping the international market. And when I say tapping the international market, it's not only going to Hong Kong, going to Japan, and just talk to Filipinos and encourage them to do the business. What we will be doing is we will be going around the world. We will be talking to Filipinos. We will start with them, but we will encourage them to tap the local market. And it's happening right now. In fact, after only 2 months in the business, meron na pong kumuha ng exclusive distributorship sa Japan. And we're of course talking about Filipinos who are starting the business in Japan, pero ngayon po sa Japan, ang mga clients po nila are Japanese. And we are excited with that because as a Filipino company, having a product, having a business opportunity for Filipinos to have an opportunity to tap the international market is something. Naniniwala po ako na darating ang panahon, ang isang Filipino company na katulad ng Sante International can really tap not only Filipinos but Malaysians, Indonesian, Japanese, even Americans. Yan po ang vision namin sa Sante International, and it's happening right now. And I do believe that the next generation of network marketers, ipapanganak po yan ng Sante International. At dito po natin makikita that network marketing is really a wonderful opportunity that can give ordinary people an extraordinary income. Dito po matutupad po lahat ng pangarap natin. Kasama na po dyan yung tinatawag nating financial freedom. Napakasarap po ng buhay na balang araw, hindi nyo na pinoproblema ang pera. na pag may nangutang, may pampautang, pag may nagkasakit, may pampagamot, pag may gusto tayong bilhin, kaya nating bilhin. At higit sa lahat, bukod po sa financial freedom, lahat po tayo, karamihan sa atin, na magiging part ng Sante International, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na time freedom. Meaning, earning money and spending it with your family. Aanunin po natin ang kumikita ng magandang income, ng malaking income kung wala naman tayong oras para sa pamilya natin. At yun po ang commitment namin sa Sante International. And as we end this presentation, I hope that you start your business now and start it right. Sante International is your vehicle towards achieving your dreams and vision. Tayo po rito ay sama-sama upang ma-achieve natin ang lahat ng mga bagay na minimithi natin sa ating buhay. Katulong niyo po kami at kami po ay magiging instrumento para matupad ang pangarap ng napakaraming Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Ito po si Joey Marcelo and welcome to Sante International.